Hi, Dr. Kapil Govil welcomes you in this video. In this video, we will find out the smallest number in any array. So, first of all, we are having here array like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means 6 elements may be there, and array name is A, and we are storing like 17, 12, 2, 8, 0, minus 1. We have to find out the smallest number in this array. So, how to do it? We are starting a program including header file, then main function. Now some integer variables like array A will be there, and I variable will be there. Because 0 to 5 we are taking, it means 6 elements maximum will be there, and some more variables will be there, CLR, SCR for clearing screen, and for reading this array we have to make a loop. So we are starting a loop for I equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, with a message for giving input, enter value, and here scanf ampersand AI. So what will be here? AI will store values at this array, and I will be managed by this loop. So 0 to 5 this will be index number, and first index number will be 0, so we will store any number, maybe 17. So now we have to find out smallest number, but we have to compare. So one variable min we are taking, but point is, if we are storing min as 0, so it may be possible that all numbers may be big from 0. So what will happen? Always minimum value means minimum equal to 0 will be printed. So what we have to do? We have to store maximum value that is that may be not available in this array, because this array is type of static type. So we are now taking 9999 and assuming that this 9999 number is not available in this array. We are just assuming. So by comparing this number with another number present in the array, if those number are array, then only we can calculate the smallest number. This is one method. So now we are comparing min equal to maximum min greater than AI. So what will be happening here? Minimum is 9999 greater than AI. I is 0, so value is 17. So what will happen? 17 is smaller and we have to find out smallest value. So what we have to do? Min equal to AI. Now we are storing whatever small number is there in comparison to this will be stored in min. So now that min variable will be storing 17. Fine. At the next iteration, when I value is 1, what will happen? I value is 12. So here minimum value is 17. So 17 will be compared by 12. But 17 is not small by 12. So it will not be iterated. This will not be executed. Next iteration will be for I equal to 2. I equal to 2 value is 2. So 17 will be compared with 2. But 2 is smaller than 17. So it will be executed. And when we execute this, minimum value, that is 2, will be overwritten here. So it will store smallest value 2. Then at the next iteration value is 3, I value is 3. So it will be 8. So 2 will be compared with 8. But 2 is not greater than 8. So it will not be executed. Then next iteration is for I equal to 4. For I equal to 4 value is 0. So 2 will be compared with 0. And 2 is bigger than 0, so it will overwrite this value with 0. So 0 will be here. And next iteration is for 5. 5 is having value -1, and it will compare 0 with -1, and 0 is big than -1, so it will be overwritten with -1. So this is the situation. Next, there is no another number, so this loop will be ended here. This control statement will be ended here, and we are closing this loop here. Now just we have to print the minimum value. So we are writing printf the smallest value is %d, and with variable min. Min will print the smallest value, that is -1. So answer will be the smallest value is -1. And just you have to write get ch and close the main function. So I hope this concept is now clear to you, how to find out minimum value, smallest value from this array. If you like this video, if you like this concept, then please share this video among your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. So thanks for watching this video.